Right now, devices on your internal network can't be reached from outside. You need a way to translate between your private addresses and your public IP. That's exactly what we're building today. Welcome to N7 Tips. I'm your host, and today we're diving into NAT and firewall rules on MikroTik. If you watched our previous episode on public IPs, you know how traffic gets to your router. Now we're going to control where it goes and keep your network safe. Let me explain NAT in simple terms. Think of it like a postal service. Your internal devices have private addresses that nobody on the internet knows about. NAT takes outgoing traffic from your internal network, stamps it with your public address, sends it out, and when a response comes back, it delivers it to the right device inside. Without NAT, the internet wouldn't know where to send replies. First, open your MikroTik interface and navigate to the Firewall section. You can use the graphical menu or the command line, whichever you're comfortable with. We'll be working with NAT rules from here. Create a new NAT rule. Set the chain to source NAT and specify your WAN interface as the outbound interface. Then set the action to masquerade. This single rule will handle outbound translation for your entire internal network. It's the most common NAT configuration, and it's extremely effective. Now let's add firewall rules to protect your network. Create a filter rule on the forward chain that drops any unsolicited traffic coming in from the WAN interface. This blocks attackers from reaching your internal devices unless you've specifically allowed the connection. If you need to expose a service like a web server, you'll create a destination NAT rule. This rule intercepts traffic on a specific port coming from the internet and redirects it to your internal server. You'll also need a matching filter rule to allow that traffic through. Port forwarding is how you selectively open doors in your firewall. Excellent work. Your NAT and firewall rules are now working together to keep traffic flowing securely. In the next episode, we'll set up DHCP so devices on your network get IP addresses automatically. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for the rest of the MikroTik series. Thanks for watching N7 Tips.